clue in this picture.
Yeah.
Can everybody see this?
Yeah.
There's the chick,
The embryo
right?
is kind of wet.
It's wet because you know what? It's actually in a little bag. You can sit down. It's in a bag, it's in a sack, and there's fluid in there. And it keeps it wet the whole time because if it dries out, it would die. So the whole reason it's in this little bag, it's a little bag of water, is to keep it moist the whole time that it's developing.
So right now it's kind of in between this two.
Right, and so it's
that's
14
why
days
these
old.
are the bags.
Well, actually, the egg's even more complicated than that. There's actually 3 different sort of little bags in the egg. One of them is around the yolk, okay? And that's called the yolk membrane. This is the one that's around the chick is called the amnion, or the amniotic sac. And then the fluid in there is called the amniotic fluid. And then there's this other one called, I think there's 4 actually. There's the allantoin and the chorion. And they all have different roles to play in the egg, okay? So they do different things having to do with getting the waste out of the chick and away from him, and later on for gas exchange. The bag that's around the egg yolk is where all these blood vessels are. The whole function of that is to provide nutrients for the growing embryo. So it's actually eating that yolk as it's developing, and the yolk keeps getting smaller and smaller and smaller. This is day 18, so in the 3 days and before it hatches, it actually takes whatever yolk is left and it sucks it into its body. Isn't that amazing? So when the chick is born, apparently, I think you can, I referred to it in one place as sort of a belly button. So I don't know if you can actually see it under the feathers, but there's a place on the abdomen of the chick where the yolk gets pulled completely in, whatever's left gets pulled in, and that's what it feeds on. So when the chick hatches, for the first day, it doesn't have to eat because it's still feeding off this yolk that it's taken inside of its body. Yes, James?
It's kind of cool how all that is happening, and when we're looking at it, it's just like a little egg.
It just looks like an egg. It's like, doesn't seem like anything's happening in there. Isn't it amazing?
I got Samurai Guy 12. Yeah. 12.
Okay, just take out 12. You hold that real tight. Go ahead and take them out. Just take them. No, don't forget. Don't look. We're just taking them randomly, okay?
Oh no. That's up number 20.
Hold it over a little bit more.
Oh, they're really
Haha, Samurai.
Mara, bring the whole carton over this way a little bit.
Samurai Guy.
Number 7 is those cheapest.
Remember, we're supposed to do this kind of quickly because you don't want them cooling off.
They look like crack one. We don't have. We crack all the other ones besides the 12. We don't have to worry about them.
Both the lids are there. I can't.
Yeah, I mean, this thing.
I know, Mara, do you want me to carry it over, or are you
I
good?
have the pencil.
Just don't drop. Yes?
I thought I saw two eggs with the number 21.
I don't think so. I think it's just the way I wrote it.
Yeah.
Now go ahead and put them on the bench. Okay, you may turn the light off now. It gets harder to see because there's more things in there. Oh, it's moving around. See? Oh yeah, look, you can see. You can see the shape of it. Sort of a,
So it's
sort of
good.
a,
Yeah, it's like a
sort of,
ball.
what would you call it? A kind of crescent shape.